Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event. If you missed it, I have already uploaded part 1 and part 2. There's tons of information already out there for you. I will leave everything linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And also over on the second channel, Too Crazy with Crazy Coupons, I have been uploading all of our penny prep videos for the seasonal categories that will be included in this clearance event. And it is worth mentioning all of the seasonal categories that we've been talking about will be 75 or 85% off depending on your store. And most categories do have hidden clearance items as well. So make sure that you go and check those out. Again, everything will be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, in today's video, we are going to be going over the laundry and paper products that will be included in this clearance event. We do have brand new laundry products that just recently went on clearance either last week or the week before. We're going to talk about those here in just a minute, but first I do want to go over some of the laundry products that have been included in the previous clearance events because we do have coupon matchups. We did receive those brand new exclusive manufacturer coupons this morning, and a lot of these coupons make these items super cheap. Here we have the large Gain liquid laundry detergents for just $5. I mean, come on. Trust me, I know some of you do prefer to just see the items that are brand new to this clearance event, but when it comes to searching for hidden clearance items, the older clearance items are where it's at. And let me tell you why, because I have been posting about the Dollar General clearance events for 5 years now, and I can tell you with 100% certainty that there are stores out there that literally do not keep up with the list at all, and there are other stores out there that only focus on the recent clearance items. And let me just give you guys a really good example of this. We had the 4-count Scott paper towels brand new to a clearance event. All right, so I go out shopping for these paper towels. They're priced at $2.25. I believe we had a 1-off-1 digital coupon as well, making those $1.25. So I was looking everywhere, right? I did find a few, maybe 4 or 5. But during the next clearance event, to my surprise, I walked up to this store and they had an entire stinking rolltainer sitting out front with all of those Scott 4-count paper towels. And I was like, where in the world did these come from? And the real kicker to this story is the employees had no idea that they were included. They had no idea that they were even on clearance at all. They just thought they were regular price. And not only that, something very similar happened to me during the last clearance event where a store found an entire container full of clearance laundry products. So you just never know when it comes to shopping these Dollar General clearance events. A lot of stores will take this opportunity to try and clear out that back room. A lot of managers like to take this time and try to clean up their stores. But on the other hand, you also have stores that don't care. They're not paying attention to the clearance. They don't know there's a clearance event going on. They're not going to be hanging clearance stickers. You're not going to see a clearance tag or a flyer anywhere. But here's the thing, both stores can work in your favor as long as you know what you're looking for. So while I do understand some people just want to see the new items, but I've been doing this for 5 years and I can promise you it's worth the refresher. You just never know. All right, guys, now we're going to take a look at those brand new items that are brand new to this clearance event. There are a couple that you're going to need to keep an eye on because they have not dropped that 10% price yet, and that's on a couple of the Gain items. So before you go up to the register, make sure that you scan. We do have digital coupon matchups, brand new. These coupons do not expire until October the 31st. We did go over all of these items in a previous video, and in that video, I did use last month's exclusive manufacturer coupons. Not much has changed. We did have one increase in value on, I believe it's the Gain dryer sheets, so that makes the dryer sheets a little bit cheaper. So I did want to go ahead and throw these items in this video along with the brand new coupon matchups. That way we all know what to expect first thing Friday morning. Now, while we are taking a look at all of these awesome brand new laundry products. I do want to thank you all so much for all of your love and support. We did hit 100,000 crazy couponers last night. It has been a long, hard fight to get to that 100K, but we finally did it after 5 long years. And I know there's some of you out there who were with me on day one. So I'm going to be putting together something special because there are a few people that I want to thank, and there's a couple of channels out there that have always recommended and gave me shout outs on their videos, and I really, really appreciate that. And like I said earlier, I was thinking back this morning about the last 5 years. I even went and watched my very first clearance event video, and holy smokes, we have grown so much. I have had to teach myself a lot of things to get here, but it's been super fun. I've met a lot of great people, and it's truly wild to think how much Dollar General has changed in the last 5 years. I mean, one of the very first clearance events that I ever went to, they had it set up outside like a yard sale, and I'm not even joking. I wish I had taken a picture of it, but unfortunately, I did not. All right, now let's get back into this clearance event. I don't mean to jibber jabber. I just wanted to tell you all thank you, and I am super excited. Now, with the Gain products, pretty much every single one will work with the 5 off 30 Gain VG Store coupon. We also have the regular 5 off 25 VG Store coupons that we can use on Friday. And then we also have the P&G Spin coupons that will attach as well. Now, those 3 coupons will not stack and work together. You can stack your P&G Spin coupon with your 5 off 25, but we're going to talk about that in another video. And then I also wanted to remind everybody, we do have the P&G rebates right now on the P&G Good website. So spend 20, get back a $5 Visa gift card. Spend 50, get back 15. Alright, now to wrap up today's video, we're going to take a look at all of the paper products that you need to be on the lookout for. We've got Scott, Brawny, Angel Soft, True Living, all kinds of fantastic items, and all will be at least 50% off. Unless you can find a 70% off store, and we're going to talk about that in the next video. So make sure that you stick around and stay tuned. I will be uploading multiple videos today and tomorrow. That way I can get out as much info as possible before Friday morning. Now, something else to keep in mind, if you have a remodel store in your area, meaning that there's already a lot of items that are sitting at 50 or 70% off, during the clearance event, those items that are already on clearance will be included in the clearance event, and they will be an additional 50 or 70% off. So you can really rack up the savings if you can find a remodel. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below, and you know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned for even more crazy deals.